Dementia is a progressive condition, but if you can get out and you can do positive things, it can slow down the progression, but it also helps the carers for their mental well-being as well. In a way, I think it's probably the carers get as much, if not more, out of it than the person with dementia, because it can be very, very isolating.
Terry's mobility is not as it was, and so we wouldn't be doing the walks, and we wouldn't have the interaction with other people. And that's the main thing that's certainly helped Terry.
I mean, I find that this facility has kicked me into being more sociable, more outgoing.
When Harry was first diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease, you tend to feel a bit isolated, as though you're the only one with that. And when Cherry got in touch with us and said, would you like to have a look at the list of activities that's available in the area, as it might help you, that's how we got involved with her. She was so nice and made us very welcome.
To be able to come out and have a conversation about anything or nothing, that's what this group is about, and all the groups that we run. It's about being able to provide that. I think the future is to continue listening to what carers and the person with dementia want, to make sure that we continue developing services that the people themselves want, not what somebody who's holding the budget thinks. Because if we are delivering what the carers and the person wants, then we'll get it right.